Imagine a city that never sleeps, where the air is filled with the aroma of street food, and the skyline is a blend of ancient temples and skyscrapers. Welcome to Bangkok in the summer. Bangkok, the heart of Thailand, is a city that pulsates with life, especially during the summer. The sun paints the city in a golden hue, casting long shadows that dance on the bustling streets, making everything more vibrant and lively. The summer season here is a sensory delight, a perfect blend of heat and humidity, tempered by the occasional refreshing rain shower. The city's charm lies in its ability to blend the old and the new, the traditional and the modern, the tranquil and the chaotic. Here, ancient temples stand tall against the backdrop of contemporary skyscrapers, a testament to the city's rich cultural heritage and its constant evolution. The melodic chants of monks in saffron robes echo through the air, intertwining with the hum of the city's traffic and the cheerful banter of street vendors. And speaking of street vendors, Bangkok's street food is a gastronomic adventure waiting to be explored. The aroma of grilled meats, spicy salads, and sweet treats waft through the air, enticing both locals and tourists alike. The city's food scene is a testament to its diversity, offering a myriad of flavors that can cater to every palate. As the sun sets, Bangkok's nightlife awakens, transforming the city into a dazzling spectacle of neon lights and music. From rooftop bars offering panoramic views of the city to night markets buzzing with activity, Bangkok's nightlife offers a variety of experiences that cater to all tastes and preferences. But beyond the city's bustling streets, Bangkok's cultural heritage shines through. Ancient temples, palaces, and museums provide a glimpse into the city's rich history and traditions. These cultural landmarks, juxtaposed against the city's modern skyline, create a unique landscape that is quintessentially Bangkok. Summer in Bangkok is not just a season, it's an experience. It's a time when the city's charm is at its peak, offering a unique blend of experiences that cater to all senses. So if you're ready for a summer adventure like no other, Bangkok is the place to be. Now let's dive into the top 5 summer vacation spots in this vibrant city. Starting our countdown at number 5, it's time to whet your appetite with Bangkok's food scene. This city is a true melting pot of flavors, where the sweet, sour, spicy, and savory all dance in harmonious symphony. From the vibrant, bustling food markets to the more polished, high-end dining establishments, Bangkok offers a culinary journey like no other. As you wander the city streets, you'll find vendors selling everything from fresh mango sticky rice, a sweet dessert that is as refreshing as it is satisfying, to the fiery tom yum soup, a hot and sour broth teeming with prawns, lemongrass, and a hint of chili. And let's not forget about pad thai, the national dish of Thailand, a delightful stir-fry noodle dish with a mix of tofu or shrimp, bean sprouts, peanuts, and lime. It's a flavor explosion that is sure to tickle your taste buds. But the culinary adventure doesn't stop at street food. Bangkok is also home to numerous high-end dining establishments that serve up gourmet Thai cuisine with a modern twist. Places like Nam and Ladoo, where traditional Thai flavors meet innovative cooking techniques, creating a unique dining experience that is both familiar and unexpected. So whether you're a foodie looking for the next big thing or someone who simply appreciates good food, Bangkok's food scene is not to be missed. Food lovers, be prepared to meet your paradise in Bangkok. At number 4, we step back in time to experience Bangkok's rich history. Just imagine a city where the past and the future coexist harmoniously, where skyscrapers rise above ancient temples, and where every corner holds a story. That's Bangkok for you. In the heart of this bustling metropolis, you'll find the Grand Palace, a dazzling complex of buildings that has been the official residence of the kings of Siam since the 18th century. Its intricate architecture and stunning murals are a testament to the craftsmanship of the era, telling tales of a bygone time. And then there's Wat Arun, known as the Temple of Dawn. It's a sight to behold as the first light of day illuminates its spires. This architectural marvel is adorned with millions of colorful porcelain pieces, creating a mosaic that sparkles in the sunlight. It's a sight that simply takes your breath away. But the ancient wonders of Bangkok are not just confined to temples and palaces. The city's old quarters, like Ratanakosin Island, offer a glimpse into the past with their traditional wooden houses, quaint canals, and bustling street markets. So whether you're an ardent history lover or just a curious traveler, Bangkok's rich tapestry of history offers something for everyone. Its ancient wonders are not just sights to visit, but experiences to immerse yourself in. History buffs, Bangkok's ancient wonders await you. Coming in at number 3, get ready to shop till you drop in Bangkok's bustling markets. These vibrant hubs of commerce and culture, teeming with life and color, are where you can truly feel the pulse of the city. Let's begin at the Chatuchak Weekend Market, one of the world's largest markets. With over 15,000 stalls selling everything from vintage clothing to antique furniture and delectable street food to exotic pets, it's a paradise for the bargain hunter and the curious explorer alike. Now let's head over to Asiatique, the riverfront, a unique fusion of a night bazaar and a mall. As the sun sets, the market comes alive with a dazzling display of lights, reflecting off the Chao Phraya River. Here you can find a wide range of goods, from high-end fashion to handcrafted souvenirs, all while enjoying a scenic view of the river. In between your shopping sprees, don't forget to take a break at one of the numerous food stalls or restaurants. Indulge in local delicacies or enjoy a refreshing drink to recharge before you dive back into the shopping frenzy. Whether you're on a mission to find a unique keepsake, hunting for the perfect gift, or just wandering through the maze of stalls, there's something for everyone in Bangkok's markets. Shopaholics, Bangkok's markets are a treasure trove waiting to be explored. At number 2, we plunge into Bangkok's vibrant nightlife. As the sun sets over this bustling city, the streets come alive in a symphony of sights, sounds, and excitement. The nightlife here is a world of its own, pulsating with energy and teeming with possibilities. Let's start at Khao San Road, a hotspot for backpackers and tourists alike. It's a place where cultures blend and where the night is always young. The street is lined with lively bars, clubs, and food stalls, offering a smorgasbord of experiences for every taste. Here you can dance to the beat of the latest hits, sample exotic street food, or simply soak up the atmosphere. But the fun doesn't stop there. The city's skyline is dotted with rooftop bars, each offering a unique perspective of Bangkok. From these lofty heights, you can sip on a cocktail while enjoying panoramic views of the cityscape under the starlit sky. It's an experience that truly captures the essence of Bangkok's nightlife. In this city, the night is not just a time of day, it's a celebration of life. From the lively streets of Khao San Road to the sophisticated rooftop bars, Bangkok's nightlife offers a myriad of experiences that are as diverse as they are thrilling. Night owls, Bangkok's nightlife promises to keep you entertained till dawn. And finally, at number 1, we escape the city's hustle and bustle with Bangkok's tranquil getaways. Imagine a place where the sounds of traffic and the hum of city life give way to the rustling of leaves and the gentle lapping of water against the riverbank. This is exactly what you'll find in Bangkok's serene destinations, oases of calm amidst the urban landscape. First on our list is Lumpini Park. This verdant sanctuary in the heart of the city is a world away from the bustling streets of Bangkok. Here you can stroll along tree-lined paths, paddle a swan boat across the lake, or simply sit and watch the world go by. The park is home to a variety of flora and fauna, including a population of large water monitor lizards that freely roam the grounds. Don't be alarmed though, they're harmless and are part of what makes Lumpini Park so delightfully unique. Next, we venture to the Chao Phraya River. Known as the River of Kings, this waterway offers a different perspective of the city. You can enjoy a leisurely boat ride, passing stilted houses, glittering temples, and grand hotels, all while witnessing the daily life of locals along the riverbanks. As the sun sets, the cityscape transforms into a twinkling panorama, a sight that's truly enchanting. Aside from these, there are numerous hidden gems around the city offering tranquility. From quiet temples tucked away in small alleys to rooftop gardens providing sweeping views of the city, Bangkok is full of surprises for those seeking peace and quiet. Remember, amidst the energetic city life, it's possible to find pockets of serenity. These tranquil getaways are what make Bangkok a city of contrasts, a place where the modern and the traditional coexist beautifully. Nature lovers, Bangkok offers tranquil retreats amidst its bustling cityscape. So whether you're an urban explorer or a seeker of serenity, Bangkok has something for you. Discover the city's tranquil getaways and experience a side of Bangkok that's as calming as it is captivating. So, there you have it, the the top 5 summer vacations in Bangkok. From the tantalizing Thai cuisine that tickles your taste buds, the ancient wonders that whisper tales of yore, the bustling shopping markets pulsating with life, the vibrant nightlife that never sleeps, to the tranquil getaways offering a serene escape. If you enjoyed this taste of Bangkok's summer and want to see more, don't forget to hit like, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Until next time, keep exploring.